for Christmas is you. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, I didn't see you here. Hi, I'm Naisa, and I know we're in December. That means Christmas. And you, my friend, you're gonna write a letter to Santa Claus. But what will be a letter without an envelope? Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to make an envelope for your letter in this Christmas. To make the envelope for the letter, you will need some materials. Let me show you. Now, follow the steps that will be shown on the screen. And that's all the tutorial. I hope you like it, and don't forget to write your letter to Christmas. See you soon. Bye bye.